towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, let me know when I get closer.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
Good morning mga ka-wonders. So, nandito ako sa may Wukay shop and papunta tayo sa may beach. So, we'll be taking exit A para pumunta doon. Exit A. Wukay siya. MTR station. Ayan. And ito yung view na makikita mo habang naglalakad. Ayan. And ito yung kabilang area. Ayan. This is Wukay siya. So, lakad lang tayo dito. Pasok tayo dito sa may Double Cove place. Yan. So, ayan, daan tayo dito. Labas. Ilang yung pang-parking mo rin? Sabi ko, ganda. Maligaw siya. Ayun kayo? Sana ako maligaw. Ako doon ako nga na. Nag-video ko. Ayun yan. Nasala kayo na ito? Ayan, tapos diretso ulit. Dito.
Alam ko dito kung kumukuha ng parcel.
Saan na? Diretso? Diretso. Diretso? Or? Oh, dito daw. Hindi pala diretso. Mali. Dito tayo. Mali pala yung dito pala. Sa may leaf. Yan. Pagbaba ng leaf. Ito na. Pagbaba ng leaf. Dito tayo. Ayan o. CTU. Resident Village. Resident Village. Yung mga taga CTU. Dito tayo. Dito tayo dadaan. Mandadaanan mo yung Sinorama. Ayan. Diba? Lakad naman, lakad. And then, dito tayo sa may left. Ay, right. Right. Dito ba sa right? Dito? Tapos, tawid tayo sa kabilang lane. Tawid tayo sa kabilang lane, di ba? Tapos tawid. Tawid. Tapos, diretso. Diretso ang lakad, pataas. Walang bus stop dyan, di ba? Umiikot lang ang mga bus dito. Dapat sa kabila tayo, di ba? Dumaan. O, pwede ba dito? Sa side na to? Parang hindi.
Kabila, tatawid tayo.
Tawid tayo dito?
Dito kasi pwede tumawid sa doon. Ay, hindi, sorry. Sa media. Dito sa media. Mas doon na kasi may slide. Oh, paano na tayo nito?
Tawid na tayo dito? Ah, tawid tayo dito. Tawid, tawid! Yee! Silver Sand. Ah, dadaanan nyo yung Silver Sand. Ah, sakyat lang. Diretso doon.
Pati 10?
Kulang na. Ang tubig na. Yan, sanay ba kayo? Okay. Sanay ba? Then try. Sanay ka sa sanay. Ayan.
Take it to the left. Right.
Tapos, pasok dyan sa way na to.
Move to the right. Barbecue. Wait to barbecue.
Ayan, dami ng tao yata. Ang dami ng tao. Dati walang kanong tao dito ah. Ayan. Ang bayan ng Pinoy. May mga tent-tent na. So, ito na yung area na pupuntahan. Sige. Sabi na nagtatambay. Ayan. Si boss na pala, yung karga niya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind